Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a review, and as you can see it's a £5 coin. It's one from 2023. One of the giveaways being the fact that Charles III, his portrait is on there. We have the date of 2023 down the bottom along with the denomination of £5. This is from Change Checker or Westminster Coins, whichever you'd like to call it. There is the what do they call it, COA type thing, I suppose. £5 denomination, and we have Merlin. This is the second of this year in the Icon series. This year they changed the Icon series from just being bullion coins to coming out in the Royal Mint format for people to buy as BUs. I believe Merlin and also King Arthur are both bullion coins. I haven't yet got the Merlin as a bullion. I do have the King Arthur, and of course I have the series that went before that, which was the three from the Robin Hood series, which was Maid Marian, Little John and Robin Hood. They have not come out as BU coins as yet, although it's a possibility that they will at some future point. This is, as I say, the second and third coins. The last coin is Morgan Le Fay, which is one of Arthur's opposition, if you like. Merlin, probably one of the most famous characters of the King Arthur tales, if you like. He was a wizard. He was believed to be based on a Welsh wizard of the period that Arthur is supposed to have been around. He's probably the best known character apart from Arthur and possibly Lancelot. Whenever you think of the King Arthur fables and stories, you always think of Merlin. Merlin brought him up. Merlin gave him all the good advice that he needed. He was a special character, and it is believed that he is based on maybe 3 or 4 different Welsh people that purported to being specially gifted in one way or another. No one knows 100% sure, because it was during the dark history, whether Merlin himself was an actual character, or, as I've said, he is a character that's made up of several other people. However, this coin shows Merlin with his staff in his left hand, bearded character, so it would be fairly later on in his life, pointing his right hand out of the coin. It's a beautiful coin. I do like it. I might well have to, in the near future, get this in bullion. I think I'd need to get this one and the 2023 Britannia in bullion to complete my set for this year as it stands. I already have the Merlin because that was issued last year in bullion. Sorry, the King Arthur one. What do you think of this coin? I actually like it. I think it's the myths and legends of King Arthur and this Icon series that were made for each other. I think you could stretch this on to doing many of the Knights of the Round Table, some of their opposition as well. It's a bit like the Harry Potter series in some respects, but of a better known, longer standing storyline than Harry Potter's. I would like to see this continue, and I'd also like to see the Robin Hood series continue, because there's several characters there, such as Seraph of Nottingham, Friar Tuck, and several other characters that have not been utilised. and they could make fantastic sets of these coins. And eventually I think the icons could very easily go up against the Queen's Beasts and the King's and the Tudor Beasts as a good series of £5 coins, or one of the better series of £5 coins. So tell me, what do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Let me just come up a little bit. There we go. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins that you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum 4 videos a week. Just recently I've been doing 5. And this is in the hope that you find something that you enjoy watching. I am looking to up my subscription level. I'm sort of in the early to mid 170s at the moment, and I've put myself a target of 250 by the end of the year. It'll be a stiff target to hit, but with your help I'll do it. So if you enjoyed this particular video, can you please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, can you think about doing so? Either of these doesn't cost you a penny, and if you do subscribe, I'll be eternally grateful, and we'll look forward to you viewing many more of my videos in the future. And in the meantime, until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you very much, and bye bye. Ta-da now.